Good morning, students. Today we will revise lesson 3, The Little Girl. So I read this extract from that has been taken from the book from behind and lesson The Little Girl. Laboriously with a double cotton, the little girl stitched 3 sides. But what to fill it? Well, that was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. On the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case, then sewed up the 4th side. Now question, I read the questions that has been given to the answer from this passage. Question है, who is a little girl? Kezia. Why was she searching for scraps? For arts and crafts, to complete her arts homework, to fill the pin-up cushion, to make a present for her father. To fill the pin-up cushion. The fine sheets of paper contained her father's contract, her father's business deal, her father's speech, her father's documents. Her father's speech. Why was the little girl making it? To pass her time, to gift it to her father as an art project, to do something creative. To gift it to her father. How did Kezia's father react on finding his torn speech? He reacted angrily. He reacted happily, he reacted sadly, he didn't react in any way. He reacted angrily. Next passage. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the court authority had been lost. Rooms were searched. Servants questioned. Finally mother came into Kezia's room. Why was there a huge hue and cry in the house? Father was angry. Father's speech was lost. There was a thief in the house. Father's documents were lost. Father's speech was lost. What had happened with the speech? I read the answers. Their pet dog had eaten it. Kezia had accidentally thrown it. Kezia had torn it. It was stolen. Kezia had torn it. Why had Kezia done so? For fun, to fill her father's present, to keep it safe, to show how responsible she was. To fill her parents' present. Present का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर? Gift. Present means gift. What was Kezia punished for her act? Yes, her father hit her palms with a ruler. Ruler means scale. The incident with the speech made Kezia her father. Dash her father angry at, resentful of, terrified of, and hate. The incident with the speech made Kezia resentful of her father, angry at her father, terrified of her father, and hate of her father. Terrified of her father. यानी वो अपने father से वो डरती थी, बहुत ज़्यादा डरने लगी थी. Now questions 2 marks. You will have to give the answer in 20 to 30 words. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Kezia afraid her father because her father scolded her at each and every event. ठीक है? How was Kezia's father different from Mr. McDonald? Kezia's father was different from Mr. McDonald because Mr. McDonald would play with his only children. Okay, but Kezia's father was so busy with his work that he couldn't give any time to his daughter, Kezia. She was only child. There are 4 characters in the 4 or 5 characters in the lesson. कौन? Kezia, her grandmother, her parents, 4 and 1
Cook.
not cook.
Mr. McDonald.
Their maid. ठीक है? No, Mr. McDonald not was that he was their neighbor. Okay, but he is also character of this lesson. Next है, what orders were passed to Kezia in the evening when father returned home from office? जब फादर ऑफिस से घर लौटते तो केजिया को क्या ऑर्डर दिए जाते थे? Father said that I think you would have been good all through the day and you have done your work properly, and now put off my shoes and take these into that proper place, that rack. ठीक है? And Kezia always gave tea to her father, and she brought the newspaper to her father. These were the works Kezia did after coming home of her father. Describe Kezia's father as she sees him. Describe Kezia's father as she sees him. यानी जिस तरीके से केजिया अपने फादर को देखती है. ठीक है? क्या? No, not ghost. Giant. ठीक है? Her father would sleep on Sundays in his drawing room and he used to lie on sofa. ठीक है? He put his hand on his forehead and put his legs or foot on the fine cushion. ठीक है? And he snored. And when Kezia thought about that event, she always thought that her father was like a giant. एक दैत्य की तरह है वो, मतलब उसको बहुत उसके जो फेस है, उसके जो यार्निंग है, वे ऑफ यार्निंग, वो बहुत ही बड़ा लगता, बिग साइज का लगता है. एंड शी थॉट दैट हर फादर इज लाइक ए जायंट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट देखिए 40 to 50 वर्ड्स. हाउ डिड केजियाज एफर्ट्स टू प्लीज हर फादर रिजल्ट इन डिसप्लीजिंग हिम वेरी मच? हाउ डिड दिस हैपन? यानी केजिया को जो एफर्ट था अपने फादर को खुश करने के लिए, अपने फादर को हैप्पी करने के लिए, अपने फादर को प्लीज करने के लिए, वो कैसे कन्वर्ट हो गया? किसमें? डिसप्लीजिंग में. एंड हाउ डिड दिस हैपन? ये कैसे हुआ? यस, स्टार्टिंग करो क्योंकि आपको 30 to 40 वर्ड्स भी तो कंप्लीट करने हैं. हर ग्रैंड मदर सजेस्टेड हर टू प्रिपेयर ए कुशन बिकॉज हर फादर्स बर्थडे वाज नियर. She took yellow cloths, silk cloths, and she sewed it from 3 sides, and she thought that what should be stuffed into it. So she searched for the scraps, and she got those fine scraps on the table of her father, and she tore all those scraps and stuffed into the pin cushion. ठीक है? Directly she wanted to make happy to her father, but those papers were so much important that when her father came to know about those scraps, he got angry and he punished Kezia. In this way, this changed into displeased manner. ठीक है? समझ आया? How did the father comfort the little girl, Kezia, when she got scared and in her sleep? How did the father comfort the little girl? अपनी छोटी बच्ची लिटिल गर्ल केजिया को उन्होंने कैसे कंफर्ट कराया when she got scared in her sleep, जब वो सोते हुए डर रही थी? He took her to his bedroom, ठीक है, and he make her slept with him. ठीक है? When she heard listened the heartbeat of her father, she came to know that her father's heart is so big, and she came to know that all the fathers are same, but some fathers have time for their children, but each parent, each father love their children. ठीक है, यानी हर फादर जो है ना वो अपने बच्चों से प्यार करता है. That is a different way that they have time for their children or not. McDonald have time for his children, but my father has a big heart, but he has not so much time to play with her. Her means यहाँ पर Kezia से है. Is that clear? Now the misunderstanding was clear. अब जो उसके अंदर जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी, फर्स्ट उसका क्या ओपिनियन था? फर्स्ट जो ओपिनियन था फादर के बारे में उसका क्या था? Why God has given the fathers? भगवान ने ये फादर क्यों बनाए हैं, क्यों दिए हैं? वो सोचती जैसा मेरे फादर हैं सभी फादर ऐसे ही हैं, all fathers are same. But when she saw McDonald's playing with his children, her thought was changed, and she thought that all the fathers are not same. Some fathers are good also. ठीक है? But when the incident happened, she is scared in the dream, and when he took her with him, then she also changed her opinion about fathers, that all the fathers are same, but some fathers have not time to spend with their children. Is that clear? नेक्स्ट देखिए, what efforts did Kezia put to please her father on his birthday? क्या एफर्ट किए? जो अभी भी मैंने आपको बताया है ना, क्या एफर्ट किए उन्होंने उनके बर्थडे पर उनको प्लीज करने के लिए, उनको खुश करने के लिए. उस वही इवेंट आएगी ना कि उसने पिन कुशन को उसने कपड़ा फाइंड आउट किया, फिर उसको 3 साइड से सीला, फिर उसने 4 साइड को छोड़ दिया अनस्टिच्ड, और उसमें किसको स्टॉप किया? सीड्स को, स्क्रैप्स को पाड़ के. ठीक है, फिर उसने उसको प्रिपेयर किया, और उससे पहले कि वो उनको गिफ्ट कर पाती, ठीक है, तो फादर को पता चल गया क्योंकि वो उसके इंपॉर्टेंट स्क्रैप्स थे, और एंड शी हैड torn दैट स्क्रैप्स एंड ही एंगर्ड. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
What was Kezia's father's routine on Sundays? What was Kezia's father's routine on Sundays? He used to sleep on sofa. ठीक है, stretching in the sofa, and her mother always read newspaper, sitting in that sofa besides her father. उसके फादर का जो सोफा था उसके साइड में जो था वो वहाँ पर बैठी पढ़ती रहती थी. और वो कहाँ बैठती थी? केजिया? नो, ड्राइंग रूम में स्टूल के ऊपर वो बैठती थी और वो अपने फादर को देखती रहती थी. शी स्टेयर्ड हर फादर while he was sleeping on that sofa. ठीक है, वो उसको स्टेयर करके घूरती रहती थी. जब वो उठते थे, हाँ क्यों घूर रही है मुझे, अपनी उल्लू जैसी आंखों से वो बोलते थे ना. ठीक है, why are you staring me with your all like eyes? Clear? Next question है 5 marks question. I am going to beat you for this, he said. Oh no, she screamed, hiding under the bed clothes. Why was Kezia punished by her father? Because she had torn all the scraps, those were important for him. And did she deserve this punishment? No, she doesn't deserve this punishment, because she didn't do all this intentionally. जानबूझ के नहीं किया उसने. Her intention was good. Her intention was to please her father. She didn't know how much important those papers were. वो पेपर कितने important थे for her father. What should her father have done instead? उसके जगह उसके फादर को क्या करना चाहिए था? हाँ? She should make her understand about those papers, and she should suggest her not to touch anything without knowing how much these papers are, anything is important or unimportant. ठीक है? First, she should go to her parents to consult that she should use those things or not. Clear? Next chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Lesson 4. To her, his head seemed too large. Just listen. Just listen. To her, his head seemed too large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein didn't know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. To whom does her refer to? Einstein cousin, Einstein teacher, Einstein mother, Einstein grandmother. Einstein mother. उसकी मदर सोचती थी ऐसा. What does she think about him? She was dumb. He was dumb. He was too intelligent. He will be very wealthy. He was a freak. He was a freak. What abnormality did Einstein suffer from his childhood? Learning disability, speaking disability, walking disability, and social disability. Speaking disability. He always spoke twice a word. Why was he called Brother Boring? Because he didn't like to play with others. Because he was always studying, because he was not funny, because he was too smart. He didn't like to play with others. What did Einstein do instead of playing with other children? He read books, he played the violin, he watched science experiments, he played with mechanical toys.
He played with mechanical toys.
He played with the mechanical toys. Next passage. In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and unemployed. He worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. While he was supposed to be assessing other people's inventions, Einstein was actually developing his own ideas in secret. He is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Now I read the questions. What odd jobs did Einstein do after his graduation? Odd jobs, odd. Works as a teaching assistant, works as a delivery boy, gave private lessons, and both A and C.
Both A and C.
उन्होंने प्राइवेट लेसन लिए थे और टीचिंग असिस्टेंट का काम किया था. What was Einstein's job? To write journals, to conduct experiments, to assess other people's inventions. All of these. What name did Einstein give to his drawer? Bureau of Theoretical Physics, Institute of Theory of Physics, Bureau of Theory of Relativity, the Science Experimentation Hub of Physics. Bureau of Theory of Theoretical Physics. What did he name the drawer so? Because it contained all his work as a technical expert, because it had all his equipments, and because it contained all the theories he had developed, and because he wanted to be cool. Because it contained all the theories he had developed. Which word in the extract means the same as evaluating? Developing, secured, assistant, and assessing. No. Assessing आएगा या assistant आएगा, secured आएगा, developing आएगा, assessing आएगा. क्या आएगा? Assess करना भी तो क्या होता है? Evaluate करना. ये क्या assessment है, क्या evaluation है? Is that clear? That's all for today.